More local news tonight. Kentucky's controversial new abortion law is still blocked from taking effect. A federal judge issuing the ruling after hearing both sides earlier today. A judge first put the block on the House Bill 3 back on April 21st. The bill effectively stopped abortion since the only two providers could not operate with the bill's strict conditions. Those providers here in Louisville. Rachel Droz was in the courtroom. She's live now with details on today's arguments. Rachel?
Yeah, Doug, as of now, the judge is keeping things status quo, meaning women in Kentucky who want an abortion are still able to legally get one. A federal judge saying parts of Kentucky's new restrictive abortion law will take effect later this week, but some of it will remain on hold.
The upshot of the announcement at the end of today's hearing that the court will extend the TRO in the temporary restraining order in modified form, is that abortion services can remain available in the state of Kentucky, and that Kentuckians who need them can access those services in their communities.
The parts that'll go into effect, both the Attorney General's office and Planned Parenthood agree are common practice. The judge didn't say specifically what parts of the law she's still temporarily blocking. We'll find out for sure on Thursday, but she signaled it could include aspects of the law surrounding how fetal remains are disposed of. The new law requires fetal remains be cremated or buried. Before, they were handled as medical waste. The executive director of Right to Life, an anti-abortion organization, says she's happy the judge was so thorough. The hearing lasted more than 4 hours.
In the beginning, we were all disappointed when it was completely enjoined, right? But I think coming back into the courtroom today and seeing how she took a very comprehensive look at a very complex bill, taking time to go line by line, sometimes subsection by subsection, which really also affirmed that she was paying attention to this bill. She looked very closely at it.
The judge is expected to issue the temporary restraining order on Thursday. It'll be in effect until May 19th. At that time, the judge plans to either put the new law on hold until the case wraps up, or let it take effect until a final decision is made. After the hearing, Attorney General Daniel Cameron says he doesn't agree the law should be blocked completely from taking effect. He commented on Planned Parenthood's argument that they can't comply with the new law until new programs or reporting forms are created by the state. In a statement, Cameron said in part, quote, "While we disagree, there is a simple solution. We're hopeful that Governor Beshear and the Cabinet for Health and Family Services will promptly complete the new forms." So again, as of today, abortion is still accessible here in Kentucky. The parts of the law that restrict the procedure are still on hold. Reporting in Louisville, Rachel Droz, WHAS 11 on your side.